Absolute value means if I take the absolute value of a number, it returns the positive value because absolute value is distance from a certain place. So when I see absolute value of x equals 2, I'm basically saying I want to know which numbers are 2 units from 0. Which numbers are 2 units from 0? Well, there's going to be 2 answers. X could equal -2 and x could equal +2. So absolute value of x equals 2 has 2 solutions, at x equals -2 and x equals 2. And then we got to consider the case, well, what if there's some kind of translation, x minus 2 equals, the absolute value of x minus 2 equals, let's say, 1. In this case, x has been moved. The number that makes x 0 would be +2. So this says I want to know which values for x are 1 unit from +2. So that would be +1 and -1 from +2. And the values are 1 and 3. So x would equal 3 in this case. And let's try it. X would equal 3 and x would also equal 1. 1 minus 2 is -1, but the absolute value of -1 is 1. Yes, that's a solution. 3 minus 2 is 1. The absolute value of 1 is 1. Yes, that's a solution. So this is a solution set as well. Absolute value always returns 2 values. So in practice, when we're solving this, we have to write it as 2 equations. X minus 2 equals +1 and x minus 2 equals -1, and solve those separately. You'll get the same answer.